Finally, we've got CMF Buds Pro 2 here, and I'm pretty excited about it. I know CMF and it is one of my favorite companies, not because of the innovation, but also because of the design and quality. So today we are going to look at CMF Buds Pro 2 in details. Let's get started. Hello my friends, you are here with the review of CMF Buds Pro 2. But let me tell you something about CMF Buds Pro 2 before we get into the box. First of all, the price is $59, and that is a little bit on the highest side for CMF. I don't know if that is a bad thing or not, but we are going to find it out right now. But in terms of features, we've got hybrid active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.3, spatial audio effect, LDAC codec and DRAC audio, multi-point pairing and in-ear detection, which are solid, and apparently the battery life is around 43 hours total with the case. And it is also protected by IP55 rating. Let's get this box opened and take a look. So in the box, there is a charging case which is very compact and beautiful with a small rotating bezel on the corner. We have some documentations and we don't need them. A normal Type-C charging cable is here, and here we have few pairs of ear tips. This is the size of box. You can compare it with the size of my hand, and it is actually lovely. And yes, here are the earbuds. They are so cute and pretty with the logo of CMF on it. They are white but not shiny. The silicone ear tips look pretty good too. I'm very excited to see how these sound, how the elegancy works, how is the quality of microphone and call quality. We are going to do that and we'll be back later to tell you how they perform. You could not believe it. The sound is incredible. It's very loud, louder than anything that you've heard. The bass is heavy and lots of details can be here. I really like it. Here is Nothing X app. As you can see here, almost everything is customizable. You can change the equalizer and there are some presets down below. By my opinion, DRAC Optio is the best sound quality in terms of rich audio and loudness. You can also switch noise cancellation into 4 levels or use transparency mode so you can hear your surroundings, or you can turn it off. Spatial audio makes the sound even richer and merge you in music or movie. Also, you can turn ultra bass on or off, but there isn't much difference when it is on or off. The special part is smart dial. You can customize this part same as each buds. For example, you can control the volume by rotating the smart dial, and it is very fun. Right now, you are hearing my voice from CMF Buds Pro 2 in a normal environment. How's my voice? Yeah, I'm almost next to the street, and I'm not sure if you can hear the sound of the cars or not. And final words. I think it is the best budget buds that you can buy on this price tag. It is future rich, sound quality is great, and the call quality is okay. And it is beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye bye.